You may have heard of some significant changes coming to Medicare. In this video, we break down all the updates impacting Medicare in 2023 and explain how these changes may affect you as a Medicare enrollee. Hello, Medicare community. My name is Ashley Zarezny, your Medicare expert with Elite Insurance Partners and MedicareFAQ.com. Today, we review the cost breakdown of Medicare in 2023, key updates to Medicare Part D coverage, and changes to Medicare enrollment periods. Each year, Medicare updates its premiums, deductible, copay, and coinsurance costs to reflect the current economy. In 2023, several Medicare costs decreased from the previous year, while others increased. Let's break down those costs. Medicare Part A covers your hospital inpatient benefits. This means that anytime you stay in the hospital, you are responsible for the Medicare Part A out-of-pocket cost. In 2023, Medicare Part A costs increased slightly from 2022. Medicare Part A has a $0 premium for most enrollees. However, if you did not work enough quarters paying Medicare taxes, you could be responsible for the Medicare Part A premium. The Medicare Part A premium in 2023 is $278 for those who worked between 30 to 39 quarters. For those who worked fewer than 30 quarters, the monthly premium for Medicare Part A is $506. The Medicare Part A deductible is $1,600. The skilled nursing facility coinsurance is $200 per day. The inpatient coinsurance for days 1 through 60 remain $0. The inpatient coinsurance for days 61 to 90 is $400 per day. The inpatient coinsurance for days 91 or more is $800. These days are also known as a lifetime reserve and can only be used up to 60 days. Medicare Part B covers outpatient services, doctor's visits, and durable medical equipment. Across the board, Medicare Part B costs decreased in 2023 from 2022. In 2023, the Medicare Part B standard premium is $164.90. The deductible is $226, plus you will still be responsible for the 20% of the cost of any service covered by Medicare Part B after meeting your annual deductible. Medicare Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage, costs can be tricky to calculate year over year as each plan has its own premiums and out-of-pocket costs. However, the average price of a Medicare Advantage plan has decreased since 2022. Yet, the maximum out-of-pocket limit did see an increase. In 2023, the average monthly Medicare Part C plan premium is $18. The maximum out-of-pocket limit is $8,300 for in-network care. Like Part C, Medicare Part D costs can be tricky to calculate as each plan offers its own premium and out-of-pocket expenses. However, there are few costs that are federally regulated. In 2023, the average Medicare Part D premium is $31.50. The maximum plan deductible is $505. The coverage gap begins at $4,660. The catastrophic coverage phase begins at $7,400. Within the catastrophic phase, your out-of-pocket cost will be up to 5% for both brand and generic medications. As a direct result of the Inflation Reduction Act passed in late 2022, Medicare enrollees who require insulin will see a drastic decrease in the Medicare Part D spending each month. You may be aware that insulin costs have increased in recent years, making medications inaccessible for many seniors and those on fixed incomes. However, beginning in January 2023, Medicare Part D plans will limit the copay on covered insulins to $35 per month. This means if your insulin is covered by your plan's formulary, you cannot pay over $35 to fill your prescription each month. Another change coming to Medicare Part D plans in 2023 is the introduction of drug cost negotiations. By September 2023, 10 drugs will be selected for cost negotiations. However, as of now, we are unsure what these drugs will be. We will be sure to keep you up to date as new information becomes available. In 2023, changes are coming for those enrolling during the general enrollment period. If you missed your initial enrollment period for Original Medicare and do not qualify for a special enrollment period, you can enroll in Medicare coverage during the general enrollment period. As a result of the Consolidated Appropriations Act, those who enroll in Original Medicare during the general enrollment period will see their benefits active on the first day of the month following enrollment. Again, this is a considerable change from previous years, eliminating the waiting period for active benefits. Prior to this change, if you enrolled in Original Medicare during the general enrollment period, your coverage would not go into effect until July 1st, leaving beneficiaries without coverage for several months. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn notifications on so you are notified each time we upload a new video. We also have a fantastic Medicare community on Facebook. We will leave a link in the description below so you can join. Until next time, bye.